everybody. This is Calvin Waite. I trade crypto for a living. I'm not a registered or licensed financial advisor, planner, or broker, so nothing on this channel should be taken as a recommendation to buy or sell. I also trade all of these things, so I probably have a vested interest in there. But there's plenty of entertainment value and lots of education, so this will be awesome. For those of you who didn't know, my subscription channel is live. So look at the link in the description over at cryptoinfluencers.com, and you can see how I make all of my trades and what I do and what I think about everything. This channel is for more hypothetical and looking at trends, and the other one is for actual trading, so you might be interested in that. Okay, I just wanted to give you a quick update on the markets today. So yesterday we had this really kind of sort of volatile. I mean, we went down and found support on the 50 and the 20. We also got near our ascending support that's coming out here. The best thing that happened about yesterday's close, though, is that our candle body was higher than our prior candle bodies for ever since this drop. So we are showing very significant moves to the upside. Normally, if a resistance is important, which, you know, normally something like this, that is the highest point we've traded for 10 days on either side, it's usually the thing to point to. And what's happening is we closed above it, and our little tiny red candle today is looking to show support on the top of it. It's very small, so it may or may not be significant. If we move down, obviously it'll kind of look like a fuzzy line, and the resistance will move to 16,955. But from a technical standpoint, so far it actually could pull a little bit of support for us. The one thing I wanted to point out is that it depends on how this closes. We've got an hour to go. If we pull up and this becomes a doji, this could be reversal. With as flat as we are, it also just could naturally be a reversal. But we just need to watch which side breaks. So if the new day comes and we trade above our high, then we will likely continue. If we trade below our low, then the reversal will likely start playing out a bit. But the nice thing is that we don't have too far to fall to find support. The 50's back here at 16,800, and then our 20, which would be our kind of worst case scenario, that's 17,992. So almost, or excuse me, that is at 16,750. So 750. Yeah. So anyway, we got. If we were kind of to come back and touch a little bit, it would just give us more strength to try again. But all eyes are on this level here. This is where we're headed. 17.8 is kind of what I'm eyeing as a target. I don't know if this will be significant, so I'm just going to delete it for now. And but yeah, this 100 and the top of this are both the next target. If we get close to this, it's already going to be a major confirmation that the bull market is in full swing. Also, I was going to point out that with this candle closing in an hour, it is likely that this will be the first entire candle that did not touch our 50-day. So we have a full candle trading above the 50 for the first time. Usually, yeah, that's a pretty good confirmation, because some of these where we kind of dipped our head above the 50 and then just fell back down, we never had some blue sky. Even back here, it took us a little bit. So here we exited the red zone, and yeah, it's hard to see because the green line is here. So we touched it here, we touched it here, we touched it all the way through here, and it was finally this candle that was the first candle that didn't touch the 50, and then we had a decent period where we had some movement to the upside. And now we're finally more mature. The market's more mature. We've been able to settle into our bear market really, really well. We've established a strong base, and we're looking to see how much strength this gives us. If we get higher than this, we're going to start projecting that the market is ready to change pretty significantly. If we get close and then we come back down and we lose this line, things are going to get scary. So, we're not totally out of the woods, but I love the momentum change. I love the structure, and we just need to see how strong this leg is. And if it's strong, we could be doing some good moves forward. If not, we'll have plenty of time to see, because a break below our rising resistance is kind of the only thing left. This line is becoming less and less applicable, and this one I just don't see us coming back down to find support on the top of it. I'll leave them in just for a few more days, but we'll see how kind of that plays out. Ethereum is much stronger. We are about to tag the 100 very soon, and there could be a temporary difficulty right around 1300 because of that, but we immediately had a candle that was above the 50 that had a full candle body above the 50, so pretty strong move. And so yeah, if Bitcoin gives us much more strength, I think Ethereum will be the one that really runs faster. It'll be the fastest horse in the race. Today, with it being so flat, and yesterday almost all the coins were in the green, we're having kind of a recovery day. Not much to point out, except I noticed that Ocean, wherever it went, Ocean was kind of the winner of the day. Let's see. It's a crazy good looking chart. Oh yeah, we're up 8% today. Yeah, so look at this thing. Pretty amazing. We're starting to get to our upper ranges of our most recent price action here. Lots of really nice structure moving up above the 200 that just kind of showed up in this chart. Pretty amazing. I would expect a return to find support back in 17 or 18 land, but it's kind of cool to see these things move. This would be a top reversal candle that would kind of pull us back down, but this obviously negates that. But yeah, it's starting to get a little toppy, but pretty amazing to see these. When the right structure gets there and we start pulling out, when the formation of the chart gets there, we're going to see all kinds of this. So this is going to be really fun. But yeah, today's been a quiet day, which is fine. We'll take everything one day at a time, but I'm seeing a lot of strength building. We haven't gone up too much, too fast. So we're still selling people on the idea that we're changing directions here, but I see it, and I expect us to do pretty well. All right, just a short one today. Hope everyone enjoys their Saturday. I don't do any trading on Sunday, so I will catch everybody back on Monday. Thanks for making it to the end of my video. Make sure you keep those trades small. Don't force a trade. Don't get impatient. And if you want to see how all this works, please come over and check me out on the subscription channel at cryptoinfluencers.com. Again, the link is in the description.